Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You open the app and act now to get listening fast. First, install or update and sign into the same account you use for purchases so your library appears. Grant storage and notification permissions so downloads work and you get sleep timer alerts. Once done, set download quality and default playback speed to avoid reconfiguring each title, and choose an offline folder if your device has limited space. You now select what to listen to and why that matters. Preview samples to check narrator tone and pacing, then buy or borrow using in-app or linked library accounts. Make the decision between streaming to save space or downloading for offline use when traveling. Once a title is in your library, create playlists or bookmarks for chapters you'll revisit, and set a sleep timer so playback stops automatically. This keeps your listening organized and convenient. You complete the process by syncing progress across devices so you pick up where you left off. Confirm cloud backup is enabled to protect purchases. Tweak equalizer, narration speed, and crossfade for a smooth, personalized listening experience. If playback or downloads fail, clear the app cache, re-download the file, and verify app storage and network permissions. If syncing stalls, force close the app, sign out, and sign back in. That simple reset resolves most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.